Awesome. And who do you play?
We play Bert.
Oh, Bert's here! Bert's here! I don't remember my line, but Bert's here! Where's Tommy?
You're finally up.
Ah, Bert's here! Where's Tommy? He's got his father's thermometer
Let me ask you
again.
a question. How do you like doing theater?
I think it's really fun, and I really like acting so much. I really want to be an actor.
Into the chair. There we go.
All right. What word did he say?
Oh, I can't say that.
Well, give me an idea.
I can't, Mr. Keller. It's not a nice word.
Just whisper in my ear. I'll close my eyes. Maybe I won't even hear it.
I can't.
Don't make him do that.
Okay, Bert, I take your word. There's a jail in the basement. I showed you my gun, didn't I?
But that's a hunting gun.
Oh, it's an arresting gun.
Then how come you don't ever arrest anybody?
Stuff with other kids. How do you like working with grown-ups?
I think it's really fun to be the only kids. And it's fun because you get a lot of attention from the grown-ups because you're the only kid.
I want her to back you all the way down this way and not up against the arc,
So
okay?
the first back like
Yep.
this much.
And
the
then
second back.
another one. And just
He's
no.
he's right across the street.
Go home, Bert. Stop that. There's no jail here. I want you to stop that jail business.
He's right across the street.
Go home, Bert.
They see all my sons. And it should be really fun.
Okay, great. Thanks, guys.